Buckle up, because we're diving into how your brain is a biological supercomputer. It runs on less power than a light bulb, rewrites what you see and remember, can rewire itself after losing half, and may even stay active after the heart stops. Today, we're exploring the most mind-blowing facts about the human brain and nervous system. First up, what if death isn't the moment your brain goes silent? When the heart stops, we assume consciousness ends instantly. But brain recordings show something unexpected. In some cardiac arrest patients, scientists have observed brief bursts of organized brain activity seconds to minutes after the heart has stopped. These patterns resemble signals linked to memory, awareness, and dreaming. The brain doesn't shut down like a switch. As oxygen drops, neurons can fire in intense, synchronized waves. This doesn't mean that the brain is alive in the usual sense, but it suggests death is a process, not a moment. Your brain creates pain, yet it can't feel pain itself. The brain has no pain receptors. That's why surgeons can operate on the brain while patients are awake and talking. Patients may speak, read, or move their hands while brain tissue is touched. The only discomfort during the operation comes from the scalp and skull. While stimulating certain brain areas, this can trigger sounds, sensations, or memories. Your brain creates every experience you've ever had, yet it's blind to its own touch. Your brain runs on about 20 watts, roughly the power of a dim light bulb. Yet it outperforms supercomputers that consume millions of watts. About 86 billion neurons work simultaneously, combining memory and computation. Your brain learns continuously and adapts instantly. No charger, no updates, just the most efficient processor we know. Inside your head are roughly 100 trillion connections called synapses. That's hundreds of times more connections than there are stars in the Milky Way. Each synapse passes signals that create thoughts, emotions, and memories. These connections constantly change, learning, sleeping, and daydreaming to reshape your brain. So when you look at the night sky, remember you're carrying a bigger galaxy inside your skull. Right now you can see your own nose. It's been in your vision your entire life. Yet your brain hides it. Your eyes receive the information, but your brain filters it out because it never changes. This is called sensory adaptation. The moment you think about your nose, it reappears. Your brain doesn't show reality. It shows what it thinks is useful. Every time you remember something, you're not replaying it, you're rewriting it. Memories are scattered across networks handling sights, sounds, and emotions. When recalled, a memory becomes unstable. New information can change it before it's stored again. What if your dreams are not sped up, but happening in real time? In sleep studies, people reported dream lengths that matched the clock. A 5-minute dream will last 5 minutes and a half-hour dream lasts 30. Your brain simulates reality moment by moment. That's why dreams can almost feel real. What if you could live, learn, and think with half a brain? There's a real procedure where one hemisphere is removed or disconnected. In children, the remaining half can rewire itself. This ability is called neuroplasticity. These brains don't just compensate, they rebuild. Sometimes half a brain is enough to rewrite reality. Your brain edits reality, reshapes memory, dreams in real time, and keeps going when everything else stops. And the most incredible part? You use it every day without realizing how extraordinary it is.